In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an online store with WooCommerce in just 5 minutes. We'll walk through each step, making it simple, straightforward, and enjoyable. So let's dive right in, shall we? First off, we'll need to access WordPress. If you haven't yet, open up your WordPress site in your preferred web browser. Once you've logged into WordPress, the next thing you'll want to do is access your dashboard. From here, you'll have a bird's eye view of all your website's activities and options. Now, on the left-hand side of your dashboard, you'll see a menu. Go ahead and click on the plugins option. This is where we can add new functionalities to our website, which is an incredible feature of WordPress. Once you're in the plugin section, click on Add New. This will take you to the plugin repository, which is a treasure trove of tools that can enhance your site. In the search bar at the top right, type in WooCommerce. This plugin is crucial because it's what will transform your standard WordPress site into a fully functional online store. Once you find WooCommerce, click Install, and after a few moments, you'll also need to click Activate. Activation is key because it turns the plugin on and makes it ready for use on your website. Once WooCommerce is activated, you'll be guided through the WooCommerce Setup Wizard. This step-by-step guide will help you to configure vital aspects of your store, like setting your store location, currency, and additional options to tailor your store to your business needs. It's user-friendly, and you can change these settings later if needed. After setting up WooCommerce, it's time to choose and customize a theme. The theme will define the look and feel of your site, so pick something that aligns with your brand. WordPress and WooCommerce offer many free and premium themes, so look around until you find one that suits your taste. Customization options let you tweak things like colors, fonts, and layout. Next, you'll want to start adding products to your store. Navigate to the Products section in your dashboard and click on Add New. Here you can fill out product details like name, price, description, and even include product images. This is where you'll get to show off what you have to offer. Following that, it's important to set up payment methods. WooCommerce supports various payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, and more. Head over to the WooCommerce settings and click on the Payments tab to configure these options. Lastly, consider adding essential plugins to ensure your online store functions smoothly and offers a great user experience. Plugins for SEO, security, and analytics can be vital in running a successful online store. And there you have it. You've created a stunning online store using WooCommerce in just 5 minutes.